rain everywhere today. I know they've been at it for hours, even though I've not seen it. I can just tell. That one was about 5 minutes ago. And there was another 3 there that they become clouds now, where this one is. So I'll just give you a quick update. I think it's a bit blurry this. I can't see because I'm actually... It's blinding and it's hot. There's no UV coming through yet that I can tell because nothing solar powered's going. But I can see in the reflection of my pond. I don't know if you can pick this up. Sometimes it's a bit too intense to look up and see. But there's an array of rainbow colour in there. And it's not oil and water, it's actually coming from the clouds. I don't think you can make it out when I look up. Let's have a quick check with the camera. Interesting. There's another plane. And with a trail. Interesting enough. There's one. Without. No, I can't bloody get to that now. I see it through the viewfinder. Ah, yeah. There it is. That's that morning update. Morning, everybody. 20 minutes later, more, all across there. That's the west. We've got some really fine wispy ones coming in from above. That's going from east to west with the wind. And then over here, there's this one. And I don't know if you can see here. Oh god, if I drop this camera I'm going to be devilled. That's a lily flower coming up. And it's going to be like a burst of yellow sunshine. All these little bugs aren't lily pads. They hop about, right? They push each other off and then they land in the water. Let's see if one that does it. They push each other off and when they land in the water, they sort of spread out like a boat. They float on it. See, there you go. Whee. Gotta stop saying that. My mum used to do it all the time. Right, that's part 2 of the one I just did before. I'll throw them all together anyway. And hope you have a beautiful day, everybody. Love and God bless. Thanks for all the comments on my last video from yesterday. It's really, really nice to hear from, like, you know, people that I've connected with, like some really beautiful friends. So thank you so much. It means the world to me. Alright, take care. Love you. Bye. Part of me in Ashworth Valley in Heywood, and part known as Carr, C-A-R-R. Don't know what that is on that tree. And very muddy because there's streams everywhere. But I'm heading down to one of my favourite places of all time, which is a waterfall. Just see it there. I'm going back out. Now I've been kicked off some private land from the other side and sent down this path, which is really boggy and impossible to get down, so I'm not going to be able to get down. But his land is a public footpath, so I'm going to go back up and go down that path again. Right, well I've managed to navigate my way down this wet path, but I had to put my phone down to do it. And there's the river, through the trees and the banks, and you can probably hear the waterfall in the background. I'm just coming up to in a minute. Which way to go? Aha, here we are. My favourite spot. It's a bit overgrown. Youngins playing around over there. That tree wasn't down last year. Normally I come from the other side over there, down the path there, and just walk across. And then walk down that way. And you walk down there, you can get in just there and have a swim. It's a bit boggy, but I'm going to attempt it anyway. Alright. I reckon it's about 25-30 feet up that. I've been under it before and I've swam above and below. But it's been a long time since. We've got an old water wheel down there. And the remains of the tower in the background. But a lot of the land is eroded, so I'm not going to be able to get through, unfortunately. Hello, doggy. Hi. How are you going to navigate getting down there? Ah. On your bum. It's really slippy down there. Look at the dogs just giving it loads like, yay, adventure. Yeah, I'm going to come back with some rope and a bigger boat, I think. Have fun.